Real deal, Anita Gill. Like, share, and subscribe. Y'all, I'm back with a reaction. And this reaction is a little different than most of my reactions. This it's a case been going on for a while with Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. Y'all might not heard of them, at your age now. You might not heard of them because well, Amber is like 36 and Depp is like 59, and they went through a divorce back then in 2015. But now I'm gonna give y'all some information about them before I show y'all the video, okay? Well, then too, I might show portion. But I just want to give y'all a little bit update on who they are. You know what I mean? Before I even get started. Okay. Uh, Amber. Amber married actor. Amber is an actress, and Depp, he's a Johnny is a actor. Okay. Amber married actor Johnny back in 2015, and she filed for her divorce in May of 2016. Okay, accusing him Johnny of domestic violence. Okay, a judge rejects setting aside the verdict for Johnny Depp. Okay, Johnny is a 50. He's 59, born June 1963, and Amber allegedly is 36 and was born April the 22nd, 1986. Okay, the latest movie that Amber was in is Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom. So, and his latest movie last film was back in 2018, A Fantastic Beast. So you have to go back and look at their videos. Now, you may have heard some of the thing going on with Amber and Johnny. Uh, a um, a judge rejected an effort by actress Amber Heard to set aside the 10 million judgment award against her in favor of her ex-husband Johnny Depp. Okay, Depp won a defamation suit, y'all, against her. She kept trying to sue him, kept trying to sue him, and he wanted a defamation suit against her last month in a high-profile civil trial. Okay. Also, it went on and said her. She did win a lawsuit, but it was smaller. It was like 2 million. She was trying to get 10 millions. Okay. The judgment on the counterclaim she filed against him, she did get 2 million. That's better than that, Amber. Let me see what else I want to say about this case before I keep. Oh yeah. Now, in this trial that I'm about to show you all, Johnny Depp filed bets at Amber Heard, and in court filed, and her insurance company sued her. Now, in this case, what happened, y'all, that I never heard and never seen nothing like that. In this case, it appeared that jury number 15, after they came with a verdict, jury number 15 was not in fact the same individual, y'all, as listed in the jury panel. But I don't think that really made a little difference with what happened. Johnny Depp, he wins over Amber Heard in his multi-million-dollar defamation. So he won that. So I'm gonna get into the video I want y'all to watch. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all watch this video. Yeah, this is Amber Heard. I'm gonna let y'all hear what's going on with this case. It's supposed to be the final decision.
Her effort to get a new trial, but Johnny Depp's lawyers say not so fast and claim she's just trying to get out of paying. This comes as one of her insurance companies sues her, saying they shouldn't have to pay for Heard's legal fees or the judgment against Johnny Depp.
enough time to file an opposition, but they still were able to file it on time. Also,
Okay, let's let the commercial play, y'all. You know how the commercials are.
so he's arguing that they Amber Heard actually waived that argument when she did not raise it during the voir dire and during any time at the trial before the verdict. So that's a big issue because she's not claiming any prejudice.
As karate, it was a formality, this hearing. She was signing the judgment, it was going to be final. She was having none of what Elaine Bredehoft was arguing. I mean, Elaine Bredehoft kept bringing things up, and Judge Askarati cut her off almost at the end of each sentence and said, "We're not doing this. I'm not having a hearing. I don't need a hearing," when Elaine Bredehoft asked for one. So she's done. She is done with this, and she's kind of like, "You want to appeal? Go appeal." Catherine, Amber Heard in that post-trial motion that she actually filed on July 1st also asked Judge Askarati to set aside the verdict, saying it didn't comport with the law and the evidence, and it just wasn't supported by either one. The jury awarded Depp, as you'll recall, $15 million in damages, but the $5 million in punitive damages was actually capped at $350,000 because of the state statute in Virginia. So the actual judgment and the amount awarded to Depp totals $10.35 million. Ben Chu writes in response to this request from Amber Heard, well,
Okay, and I can read it to y'all. It says, uh, while Miss Heard slings in an exceptional amount of mud at the wall in the hope that something might stick, the jury verdict on damages was perfectly reasonable and supported by the evidence that testimony in this case. Okay. Let me see what else they got to show. Okay.
appropriateness of the damages award, I think it would be Johnny Depp saying that there's not enough evidence for the 2 million awarded to Amber Heard. But we see that they're not even raising that here.
As of today, you have not paid $3.5 million of your own money to the ACLU. Yes or no?
I have not yet.
And as of today, you have not paid $3.5 million of your own money to the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, correct?
I have not yet. John sued me.
She's made $1 million in payments to them, but then she got sued here and hasn't been able to because she spent $6 million in attorney's fees. That is unrefuted. She still intends to pay those pledges, honor those pledges, and she said that throughout.
Let's switch gears now. Over the weekend as well, Amber Heard's
Now,
insurance.
if y'all didn't understand that, it's a see Amber. You got to understand Amber in this case. You got to if you don't understand who Amber is being Amber at this moment. Okay, Johnny Depp legal team filed a response to Amber Heard's request for a new trial on to dismiss or either dismiss the verdict. Okay. Amber still claims to be a victim and allegedly lies about literally everything. Okay, her insurance denied her any legal fee payments. She Amber is something else, but I'm not on neither team, but let's see what they got for Amber supposed to be talking right now. Hold on.
Of 2022 goes, at that time period, they had paid.
Cost, I thought
I wanted to see. It's another
they
part
actually
where she
provide
was in.
you with defense, meaning they pay your attorney's fees and
Hold on, y'all. It's a part where she's supposed to be in court. But Amber, you have to follow this case to understand this case. Um, you really do. You have to really follow this case. Amber haven't paid anything, y'all. She haven't did nothing she's supposed to did. This is not Amber, but whew, cause see right here, she haven't listened to this.
appropriateness of the damages award, I think it would be Johnny Depp saying that there's not enough evidence for the 2 million.
Today, you have not paid $3.5 million of your own money to the ACLU. Yes or no?
I have not yet.
And as of today, you have not paid $3.5 million of your own money to the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, correct?
I have not yet, John Masuki. She's made $1 million in pledge, in payments to them, but then she got sued here and hasn't been able to because she spent $6 million in attorney's fees. That is unrefuted. She still intends to pay those pledges, honor those pledges, and she said that throughout.
Let's switch gears now.
Whew. Yeah, that's how it is in court. That's how it is in court. And this is Amber, y'all. But it's a lot of people had lot to say about her. They were saying that Amber still claimed to be a victim in this case, and they were speaking about her insurance. Her insurance denied her any legal fee payment, and they wondered if her false claim can also make her uninsurable. A lot of people saying maybe Amber needs to just accept she's caused Mr. Depp damage, makeup, and then Aida shut up. Also, people were saying, well, of course, she's not going to agree with the jury. Y'all know that decision, destroying Johnny and his career. She's allegedly trying to destroy Johnny Depp, her husband that she was married to back in 2015. So this case had been going for a while, y'all. You have to really like get into it to understand it. But he won his defamation against her. And y'all tell me what you think. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.